at least right now I am. How does one do years on YouTube and continue to think of new ideas? Or am I just not as creative as I once was? Not creative at all, or maybe I'm just in a creative rut. That's a big reason I practice so much of my inner child work, because children are the most creative little human beings on this planet, and I get the realization of at one point, I thought that way. I hate ruts, I hate how lazy I get, I hate how my brain completely shuts off when I need it. And this is random, but I hate that I don't hate a lot of things, because if I did hate a lot of things, maybe I could use my creativity to make a video about everything I hate. Today I discovered that my car has been completely totaled and I have to get a new one. I hate everything. Just kidding, it's not that serious. However, I am sad because for some reason I always get this attachment to my cars. I think that's normal. The first couple of days without a car were chill. I just kept going to the studio to work on different things. The first day was to get headshots. I need to put my hair up, or I need to flip it.
Yeah.
Like them better?
It was fun for the first day or two, but then the feeling of being stuck started coming in, always relying on someone to drive you somewhere. You feel stuck, they feel bad, they feel stuck, you feel bad. It's never ending. I never realized how much I drove my car. I could never be bored because I'd just hop in my car, take a drive, listen to music, and most of the time stop to grab a coffee. Not having a car was so boring. I was starting to get a little too many impulsive thoughts. And when I get impulsive thoughts, those don't leave my brain. It's very interesting what the brain does. But they started small, like online shopping, but then turned to making some questionable changes. Is it bad that I'm so bored that I want to just chop my bangs? I found these scissors. Is that bad? Yeah, it's bad. But, it's not crazy. Hair grows back, you know what I mean? If I just went... Do I cut my bangs? No, I regret it every single time I do it. But if I just I should not. I should not. Does that look like it's enough? So basically she cut this.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, and then go. Yeah.
I think I'm up close one because I can't really see my hair.
Oh no! And then just twist it.
Sometimes it's scary to change things up, but it's also refreshing. Like hair holds memories, so did my car, and it's sad to see it go, but not gonna lie, getting a new one would be so sick. The next morning, my dad called me and told me I could go check out some new cars. I hate car dealerships, but after hours of dealing with car shit, they had me ring the bell and I got to walk out with a new car.
Look at this crazy car key I got. New whip. Who this? This is crazy, guys. It's been a full day. Wow, she's a beauty.
And just like that, I was free again. Guys, don't wreck your car, okay? So long.